The Expense and Budget Excel spreadsheet is a very useful tool for keeping track of your private spending, managing your budget and your monthly expenses. The Expense and Budget Spreadsheet is a powerful tool, but you must understand that it will be useful in organizing your accounts only if those involved are fully committed. This personal financial control spreadsheet template allows you to view your budget accounts from month to month and throughout the year, and to access the consolidated results of the analysis in the form of easy-to-understand graphs. For all individual and collective needs to be understandable by everyone, an agreement and collaboration of all will be necessary to meet the same purpose. Therefore, it is necessary to have an understanding of all parties within an environment so that everyone can have a common direction in the personal financial control spreadsheet, and have a transparent reality to be built and implemented with the spending sheet, thus becoming an environment conducive to the development of a sustainable budget that can serve everyone. It is essential to consider and list absolutely all household expenses, including recurring bills and debts that may be overdue or still in payment. Are the goals just to split the bills? If not, besides paying the monthly expenses, what do the personalities in this household dream of accomplishing with the surplus amount? It is important that these ends are realistic and in line with the family's ability to conduct or afford expenses on a monthly basis. It is necessary to practice, to know how to live according to what was planned, and to transform personal financial control into habits that you will carry throughout your life. This was our Expense and Budget Excel spreadsheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.